Want to study at a World Top 100 university set on a stunning riverside campus? This is Durham University International Study Centre, a place where history meets modern student life. We're starting our journey across the Infinity Bridge with views that never get old. And right ahead is the Ebsworth building, home to the International Study Centre in Stockton. Step inside Ebsworth reception, the first stop on your Durham journey. Here's where you'll be welcomed and guided towards everything you need. And this is the International Study Centre reception. It's your go-to hub for advice, support and a friendly face whenever you need help. Now, let's make our way to the lecture theatres, where your learning comes to life. Here's where you'll study with expert tutors and classmates from around the world. Imagine yourself here, part of inspiring discussions that spark new ideas. From lectures to smaller classes, let's head down to the classrooms. These bright, modern spaces are built for interactive learning. Here is where you'll work closely with tutors, share ideas with classmates and build the confidence you'll need for your degree. This is the library, a central hub for learning and research. Whether you're deep in revision or just catching up on reading, it's the perfect place to focus. All around campus you'll also find open study spaces. They're ideal for group projects, brainstorming or just a quiet spot to get things done. Need a break? Head to Café Aroma. It's the perfect place for a coffee, a quick bite or catching up with friends between classes. Now let's take a short walk over to the sports facility, a huge part of student life here at Durham. Here's the reception, where you'll start your fitness journey. From training to team sports, this is the place to get moving. Step inside the gym, home to basketball, badminton and plenty of other indoor sports. It's a lively space where students come together to compete, train and most importantly, have fun. Next up on our tour is the fitness suite. The suite comes equipped with treadmills, weights and everything you need for a great workout. It's perfect for keeping active and healthy. Let's head to the student hub, one of the most social spots on campus. The hub is all about student life. Meet friends, join societies or just take some time out. It's the heartbeat of the campus community. And finally, take in the views. With open green spaces and a scenic river view, it's the perfect place to breathe, relax and feel at home. So now you've seen just a glimpse of life at Durham University International Study Centre. It's time to take the next step and apply. Next time you're here, it won't just be a tour, it'll be the start of your journey.